Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing. This is a Random Rob Tour watch. It's the MMI Turret. I had one of these in a while ago. I think it's essentially the same watch as what I had before, but this is a different colorway. And actually, the one I had before was a prototype watch. And I just recently released a video for the chronograph version of the MMI turret, which is still active on Kickstarter. I'll try and leave a link in the description to that Kickstarter. I think it's a pretty good deal for a Seiko Mecha Quartz chronograph. I think it's $320, something like that, for that watch. And I'll leave a link in the description to this watch as well. So yeah, MMI. I wanted to compare this one to that other watch, but I had to send it out to that Kickstarter watch I sent off to Dane to get a video done, to get the word out. Hopefully that campaign gets funded. So yeah, actually this is the same case as what was on the other watch. Okay, so it looks like this one is on strap only. It's bubble wrap. Maybe there's something else in here. No, see some bracelet links, so maybe there's a bracelet in here somewhere. Alright, here's a bracelet. So I will put it on the bracelet as well. Looks to be the exact same bracelet as what was on that chronograph watch too. Case is very similar shaped also. So yeah, looking forward to spending some time with this. It feels like a hybrid strap, FKM rubber on the back, and some kind of canvas on the front here. Maybe it's Cordura. Hopefully you can see that. And this has the date wheel on the inside here. Let's move the handset. Yeah, this looks like it has the IP coated, or it's either IP coated or ion coated stainless steel bezel. Nice shine to it there. Could be totally wrong with that though. I'll have to look at the website. Where, oh where is the date? Wow, it's hard to see. Oh, I think it's right there at 15. Yeah, so probably not the best colorway of the dial to see the date if that's something that matters to you. Usually I prefer no date watches anyway. But that's a cool feature, having this radial date display. Oris, I think, has something similar, and they also have a pointer date. But anyway. 316L stainless steel, 227 out of 300 turret, 300 meter water resistance, and the Seiko NH35 movement, and then sapphire, so sapphire crystal. Yeah, it's a nice looking watch. All right, let me get this on rest, and then we'll close out the video. Sorry about all the clutter. Strap feels real comfortable. It's a tropic style strap. Hole patterns are fairly far apart, but that's kind of what happens with these type of straps. if I can get that tighter or not. Yeah, I guess I can. So very comfortable feeling strap. So there we go on my 6.5-inch wrist. Man, I like this dowel. It's a good color and it has a little bit of sunburst, or well, maybe more like shimmer to it than sunburst. Crown's still out. All right, so let me know what you guys think of this watch, and I'll do some further research here and do a full presentation video here in a few days. Looks like it's been taking a beating on the tour here. So I think I'm the second to last guy on the tour, so it's been worn around quite a bit. So anyway, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you've liked it, and leave a comment below. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.